just getting out that city mentality, that city mindset. That's it, bro. I keep telling people, bro, once you leave out of these mega cities, these metropolitan cities, bro, you have country places around y'all. Bro, it's called Mother Earth.
You can purify.
That's what I'm saying. It's
Shungite crystals, using your resources.
Bro, it's here.
Tapping into your natural resources, man. This stuff right here is in abundance. There's an abundance of this stuff right here. And you can use this to purify water. You see what I'm saying? There's all types of things you can do. There's all types of things you can do right now.
That shit inspirational, bro.
Everything that they've been doing. The more you spend time complaining about what they're doing, you're wasting your own time on what you could be doing. So I'm excuses.
I'm moving action, bro. I'm moving action
about this shit. This shit is just no more games to be played, bro. And the thing about it is, when the shit hits the fan, nigga, people gonna be looking at you like, oh, you got food, though. And you make yourself a target. For what?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna keep talking to niggas that don't want to act on this shit. Like, this shit don't exist. For real.
And I've been saying that too. It's a target. Because it's like, okay, let me see who gonna pay attention and who not. And if you paid attention, all your people gonna be like, feed me. You get what I'm saying? They gonna be like, motherfucker, feed me.
All that shit, man.
And that's what and that's what we can't have. We can't be looking up to no one person.
You gotta look.
It can't just be one person, bro. We telling y'all everybody can do this
to fix what's going on within us. We keep looking outside of ourselves to fix what's going on within us. We keep looking at everybody else in the community like what y'all doing.
I'm never looking at, but it's still other things. Everybody gotta do what they can do at the certain time. I'll be out here on the beach talking to people. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, my brother.
Opening their mind. You know what I'm saying? Healing them.
My brother.
Listening to them.
Hey, I appreciate y'all being here. And when we speak on this live, we never directing anything we saying to one person. We talking to the whole room.
In general.
If you are directing anything to one person, don't do that here. We here to learn from each other and to teach each other and to grow. That's not. We're not talking to each other. We talking to everybody. You feel me? So
and
I just want to tell that apparent for everybody.
I'm at a point where I would prefer to listen more than anything because I got a lot of work to do. You know what I'm saying? So it's like I would prefer to listen rather than to actually be on the lives. But I love.
I'm already knowing, my brother. I appreciate you coming in and saying that though, bro, because that's inspirational and you inspired me, bro. And I always preach the message of whatever you want to do, there's something you can do to get towards it, closer to it today. You know what I'm saying?
Absolutely.
Right now at this second. So you feel me? I appreciate you saying to the people in the
So how you get Heirloom to? Answer that question for me, brother.
Niggas ain't doing for themselves these days. No matter what you do, it doesn't even matter about the gardening. Anything you're passionate about, man, tap into that shit, bro. And don't rely on anybody else to put you on. Put yourself on. I had to put myself on.
Know, bro. But there's steps to this. There's levels to this, bro. You can't. I ain't just still shit. I gotta earn my sleep.
Directly at you. I'm just saying this as a message to the broad
to everybody. You know right.
I ain't directing this message at anybody. So that's why when I started off, I said respect to y'all because I'm actually in the same exact situation as y'all. You see
we all on the same journey.
I ain't actually directing this at y'all. You know what I mean?
And it's really, bro, and that's why I say with listening and, you know, talking on here, you can misconstrue shit so much. And basically, this is just supposed to be for information, bro. Just to inform.
Know, this is perfect. This is perfect for this live because with unity and community, a big problem that we've been programmed with is communication. And by misconstruing or like taking something different than somebody intends it and not having a clear, you know what I'm saying, message. You feel me? It makes it harder for us to communicate with each other and be on the same kind of page. You feel me? And that's a huge problem with our community. I know, like, a lot of people from where I'm from, we hating on each other. Motherfuckers don't smile at each other. Motherfuckers mean mugging. So it's like a huge communication barrier. Nigga, you look the wrong way. Nigga, what the fuck is you looking at? Nigga, you want an issue? You know what I'm saying? Like, you feel me? So, like, that's another thing.
But you know, that's survival mode. You know, that's just survival mode. That's it.
Hell yeah, it's like
that,
a defensive mechanism, but like
when somebody look at you like that, it may not be directed directly at you. When they look at you like that, hit them with one of these, man, and let them know you feel them. You know what I'm saying? Don't be afraid to. That's
how I be looking though. It's like in my dreams.
even if they don't acknowledge that, keep it pushing. Don't even try to interact because they're not in the space to interact right now. We all get to that
I
place.
asked you a question though, brother. I said, where do you get heirloom seeds at?
Where do I get what?
Heirloom seeds.
I don't need heirloom seeds. What I eat, I grow. I don't need no heirloom, none of that.
How you regenerate them? Is it one shot and go, or you can recreate more off of the same strain?
If anything, that's what we saying. Anything organic is gonna have seeds in it. So if it has seed, you can always regrow it again.
Mm-hmm.
And what is this I hear about heirloom seeds? You gotta have heirloom seeds.
What's the heirloom seed?
He's asking a very good question. He's asking a very, very good question right now.
It's a company
right now,
that sells.
What's going on is they got all the plants and seeds patented by genetics. And if you grow and trade seeds, it's illegal in certain cities to grow and trade seeds. But if you're eating something that has seeds and you keeping your receipts or the label that it came with, that is your patent label. You see what I'm saying? So you own rights to it because you actually bought it, purchased it, and you just keep your receipts just in case anybody want to shake you up about what you got going on. You feel me? And at the end of the day, they're patenting these shits to control it. You feel what I'm saying? So when you say heirloom, it basically means that the top of the bloodline, the top of the genetics. You see what I'm saying? So
yeah, we don't have. Well, I haven't found none like that.
You said what?
I got seeds now. I bought some seeds. I'm working on trying to get some dirt soon. Actually, tomorrow.
And you know what, brother?
So heirloom seeds are the best kind of seed. It's like the most pure
that's
seed?
not necessarily the case. It just means that it was patented by a certain somebody who owns the rights to that seed and anything that comes
like
from
Rolls Royce.
man patents.
It's just a name.
It's
a name.
They invented the patent office to steal
high
it from
quality brand. Okay, I got you.
Yeah, that's it.
It doesn't even mean high quality. It doesn't even necessarily mean high quality.
No, he talking about the brand, not the product, just the brand. You know how we are such and such. We got top quality leather and you know what I'm saying, stuff like that.
Yeah.
Just selling themselves basically, and that's why I was saying
I'm so passionate about this shit because I've been doing this shit for a really long time, and I've seen how they make it impossible for us to grow and control our own resources. You know what I mean? So I'm not necessarily thinking about what they can do or any of that because I can know what I can do. What's within my power to do. You know what I'm saying? So the more we focus on what they do to control what we do, the less we focus on what we're doing to counteract what they're doing to us. You see what I'm saying? So there's a lot of things I just don't have time to necessarily focus so much energy on because we've been focusing our energy on those areas for so long and our conditions haven't changed. Until we can change our conditions, like y'all were speaking about this, and y'all were speaking very intelligently and opening up about how y'all feel about the condition, the atmosphere we live in. You feel me? So I love what y'all are doing, but at the end of the day, it's like we all have a piece of the puzzle. We all have to come together at some point to put the whole puzzle together.
That's what I was saying.
It's not a debate. It's just a build.
It's never been a debate. I don't even like talking. I like action. Like I'm with you on that same thing.
Yeah,
we have to talk about it. Let's pull up. I've been wanting to pull up. People get crickets when you want to pull up, though.
Well, yo, what's up, Queen? Appreciate you for being here. That's the queen down there.
We can do a lot on these platforms. We can build a lot on these platforms, but people just use real life situations as entertainment instead of actually contributing to real life and sharing real life.
I ain't entertainment. You must be involved in my life.
Hey, come check. I want to be entertainment.
Come check.
That's why I try to stay high energy.
I feel you.
But hey, people being lazy and not wanting to put the work in, that's what the next live gonna be about. We don't because we've been put into a state. We've been put into a state where we don't want to put the work in.
So where we gonna meet up at? What's the state? Where we gonna all come to? A meeting spot. A mutual meeting spot.
I'm talking about a mental state.
What are we meeting up for? What are we meeting up for? That's my question.
We all putting a mental.
I'm like, but if we coming together as unity, we gotta come together and.
Let me tell you what the most important part about unity is. You and I. You see what I'm saying?
I'm about solitude. I've been talking that. I'm not about this. I'm not about somebody up in front of me. I'm about me holding down myself while you hold down yourself while we come together as a force.
Absolutely, absolutely. So let's build. You feel me? We can use these tools to build, or we can use these tools to destroy. Either way, that's on you. You know what I mean? And since we have been having these similar conversations, we can have a neutral conversation and keep building. You see what I'm saying? We don't necessarily